animals like chicken, turkey, goat, prawn, fish, etc. Fish also we are using as a, some people use it as a food. Some people eat animals as a food because it is very rich in minerals and proteins. Some people wrap the chicken, turkey and goat and get their meat and flesh and eat them. Beasts of burden. Some animals are called beasts of burden. They are carrying loads. With their animals, those are carrying loads are called beasts of burden. Spelling is B-A-S-T-S. Beasts of burden. Examples are donkey, yak, camel. They carry loads. That's why they are called beasts of burden. Next, some animals draw carts like horse, bullock, reindeer. Have you seen horse cart, bullock cart? Yes. Okay. That's why they draw carts. We are calling them. They are called draw carts. Pulling animals. Examples are horse, bullock, and reindeer. But reindeer also draw carts. But it has a special name. Its carts we are not calling it cart, but it has a special name like sludge. S-L-E-D-G-E. S-L-E-D-G-E. Sludge. The cart drawn by reindeer is called sludge. Plow the field. Some animals plow the field. Bullock, buffalo, oxen plow the field. Next, manure and fuel. How we get manure and fuel from the animals? By the dung of some animals like cow and buffalo or dung. We are using them as a manure and as fuel for making food also. Gobar gas also we are getting from the cow dung and make a gobar gas, and from which is used to get light and safe fuel too. Wool. Some animals gives us wool like sheep, yak. Now eggs. We are getting eggs from hen and duck and using as a food. Now leather. When animals die like cow, goat, buffalo, camel and sheep, when they are died, we remove their skin and make leather from it. And from leather we are making belt, bags, shoes, belt, wallets, etc. Silk. Have you seen silk clothes? Yes, but this also we are getting from the animals. Animals like silkworm gives us silk fiber, and from this silk fiber we are making silk clothes. Now honey. Honey also used as a medicine in cough and cold, and honey is made by honey bees. Now last point, guard our houses and farms is dog. As you know that dog guards our houses and farms. This way animals are our best friend. They help us in many ways. That's why they are called domestic accessories. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. First, the blank of some animals is used for making shoes. Shoes is what is there. So we get shoes from leather, and leather is made from animal skin. So we have right here S-K-I-N, skin. Now read the full sentence again. The skin of some animals is used for making shoes. You got options also. I have not written the options, but you got options in examination and in your textbooks also. So blank. The skin of some animals is used for making shoes. The blank is called the sheep of desert. Desert what is there? As we know, mostly in desert camel animal is used. So it is called sheep of the desert, and our answer is C-A-M-E-S, camel. Now read the whole sentence again. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. Next, the blank guards our house. Who guards our house? Dog. We know that the dog guards our house. 4 number, reindeer draw a card called sludge. S-L-E-D-G-E, sludge. 5 number, blank plow the field. Oxen plow the field. O-X-E-N, oxen. Question 2, give 2 examples of each. Milk animals. So many animals those gives us milk are called milk animal. You have to write only 2 words out of that. I am going to write here cow, goat. Next, animals who draw cards. Camel, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse, camel, bullock. Also you can write here. U-double-L-O-C-K, bullock, H-O-R-S-E, horse, camel. Also you can write here because it's draw cards. Bits of burden. Animals those carry loads are called bits of burden. So, donkey. Examples are donkey, yak. Reindeer also there, you can write here. Question number 3. Encircle the odd man up. Read the whole 4 word and identify which one is odd one. Number 1, donkey, dog, yak, camel. As we know, donkey, yak and camel are bits of burden. So, dog is odd one because it guards our house. Cow, goat, cat, buffalo. Cow, goat and buffalo are milk animals. So, cat is odd one. Shoe, shari, suitcase, bag. Baby suitcase and shoe is made from leather. So, sari is odd one because sari is made from fiber. Chicken, horse, goat, turkey. We get meat and flesh from chicken, goat and turkey. So, horse is odd one. Match the animals with your things. Cow. Cow gives us milk. So, we make arrow with milk, match it with milk. Sheep. Sheep gives us woolen clothing. It keeps us warm in winter. Goat. Goat gives us meat. M-E-A-T, meat. Hen. Hen gives us E-double-G, egg. Let's read the lesson. Unit 2, Animal Word. Chapter 3, Domestic Animals. Learning points, domestic animals and their uses. Some animals are very useful to us. These animals live with us at our farm. Such animals are called domestic animals. Those are very useful to us are called animals. Those are very useful to us are called domestic animals. They live at near our house or at our farm. We take care of them. We provide. How can we take care of them? By providing them with food, good food and self-shelter. We have to provide them good food and safe shelter to live. Domestic animals serve us in many ways. How can they serve us in many ways? Let's learn in this lesson. Some animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, yaks and reindeer give us milk. These animals are called milk animals. Means those animals that give us milk are called milk animals. We make curd, butter, cheese, ice cream, etc. from milk. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Some people rear chicken. Turkey got enough poultry for their eggs and meat. Some of us eat flesh or meat of hens, goats, fish, ducks and prawn. Food from animals is rich in proteins and minerals. Here picture is given of cow, buffalo, sheep. Those are give us milk. Here picture of hen and duck. We are using of their eggs and meat as a food. Other pictures of are given chicken, turkey, goat and meat. They are also using for getting meat. Next page. Donkeys, yaks and camels carry load. They are called beasts of burden. The camel, that means animals those carry load, are called beasts of burden. The examples are donkey, yak, camel. Picture is given donkey, yak, camel. You can look at properly. They have carry load. Heavy weight is called load. The camel carries load in the desert. It is also called the sheep of the desert. Horses, bullock, buffaloes, camels draw carts. You can see in the picture, horses, bullocks, camel can draw the carts. Reindeer draw a cart called sledge. Reindeer also draw a cart, but its cart is different from other animals. It is called as sludge. S-L-E-D-G-E, sludge. Buffaloes, bullocks and oxen are used to plow the fields. Here we can see in the picture properly how buffalo plow the field. The dung of cows and buffaloes are used as manure and fuel. We are also using their dung of cow and buffaloes as manure and fuel. Manure means as a fertilizer we are using them, and fuel for making our food, also for boiling water, etc. With cow dung we can make dung cakes, which are major source for making food in rural areas, and gobar gas. We are also using their dung cakes in major sources for making. Rural area means where we are living, and gobar gas which give us light. By gobar gas planting we can have a light, and is also used as safe fuel. We can also use it for as a fuel, and also getting light from gobar gas. We should take care of animals. They are our friends. Next page. The sheep and yak give us wool. Wool is used for making woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. You can see in the picture here sheep and yak pictures is there. By their hair we can getting wool and making woolen clothes. When some animals like cow, goat, buffalo, camel and sheep die, their skin is removed and leather is made from it. Do you understand? Cow, goat, buffalo, camel, sheep are when died, we remove their skin, and from their skin making leather. We make shoes, bags, belts, jackets, wallets, etc. from leather. You can see in the picture and understood very well. We can make from animal skin leather, and this bag is made of leather. Leather shoes, leather wallet, leather belt, leather bags, leather jacket. Animal also give us silk and honey. Silkworm, here picture is given of silkworm, give us silk fiber which is used to make fine silk clothes. Have you wearing silk clothes? Yeah, in many occasions you had wear silk clothes. Honeybees give us honey. It is used as medicine for cough and cold. When we have suffering from cough or cold, we use honey to face our cough and cold. Next page. Dogs guard our houses and farms. Here pictures of farm is given and house is there. Dog guards our houses and farms too. Do you know a dog is called man's best friend? Yes, it's right. Now I know. Whatever we have understand in this lesson, whatever information we get in lesson, let's repeat in a few points. Now I know. First, domestic animals are very useful to us. Second, some animals give us milk. They are called milk animals. Third, some animals give us eggs and meat. Fourth, some animals carry load. They are called beasts of burden. Fifth, some animals draw carts. Sixth, animals like bullocks and oxen are used to plow the fields. Seventh, some animals give us wool. 8. The skin of some animals is used to prepare leather. 8. 9. Dogs guard our houses and farms. Now it's time for summative assessment. Let's understand the exercise. Let's answer question 1. Choose the right word from the box and fill in the blanks. Here box is given. The words we are first of all reading: dog, camel, sludge, skin, oxen. Number 1. The blank of some animals is used for making shoes. Here shoes is given. Already we have studied in lesson that animal skin, from animal skin we are making shoes. So we are going to write here shoes, shoes. Second, the blank is called the sheep of desert. Camel. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. The blank guards our house. Dog. Answer is dog. The dog guards our house. Reindeer draw a cart called sludge. S-L-E-D-G-E. Learn the spell very well. Blank plow the fields. Oxen. Oxen plow the field. Next exercise. Question number 2. Give 2 examples of each. Number 1. Milk animal. Whatever spelling you know, you can write here. Here I have given two words. Those are very easy for you. C-O-W cow, G-O-A-T goat. Buffalo you can also write. Animals who draw carts. Horse, bullock. H-O-R-S-E horse, B-U-L-L-O-C-K bullock. Camel also can draw the carts. You can also write here camel too. Beasts of burden. Donkey, camel. They are carry loads, so they are called beasts of burden. Donkey, yak, camel. You can write here. Question number 3. Encircle the odd man out. First, donkey, dog, yak, camel. Out of these 4 words, we have to find out odd one. Donkey, yak and camel are carry loads and dog guards our house. So make a circle on a dog. Cow, goat, cat, buffalo. Cow, goat and buffalo gives us milk. So cat is odd one. Shoes, sari, suitcase, belt. Shoe, suitcase and belt made from leather. Sari is made from fiber. So make a circle on a sari. Chicken, horse, goat, turkey. Chicken, goat and turkey gives us eggs. Horse is odd one. Match, question number 4. Match the animals with the things we get from them. Here cow, sheep, goat and hen is given. Here woolen cloth is egg, milk and meat is given. Now we know that cow gives us milk, so match it with milk. Sheep gives us wool, so match it with woolen clothes. Goat gives us meat, so match it with meat picture. Hen gives us egg, so we are going to match with egg. Now question number 5. Rewrite the sentences substituting words for the picture. Substituting means instead of this picture we are using another word for that picture. camel is used for, picture is given for drawing cards, and this picture is given for riding. So now we are making the sentence. A camel is used for drawing cards and riding. Next page. Two. A bullock is used for blank and blank. Instead of this picture, we are using another word. A bullock is used for plugging field and drawing cards. Now let's make a sentence. A bullock is used for plugging field and drawing cards. Third, we get wool from, picture is of sheep and yarn. Now make sentence. We get wool from sheep and yarn. Now formative assessment. Let's have fun. Identify the animals according to the uses given. Number 1, we give milk. Which animals give us milk? Write down their spellings. Cow, buffalo, goat. Second, I give meat and eggs. Hen. Third, I give wool. Sheep. Fourth, I give honey. Honey bee. Fifth, I guard your home. Dog. Let's do this activity. This activity for fun and understanding the animals very well. Collect pictures of 5 domestic animals of your choice and paste them in your scrapbook. We are not using scrapbook. We are paste them in our notebook. Otherwise, you can make another notebook for these activities. Okay, each lesson have a activity, so we can make or paste pictures in this book. Okay,